In a tranquil marsh, nestled amongst the reeds, lived a modest egret named Eddie, with feathers of gleaming white. Though unassuming, Eddie had a heart so pure, a beacon of kindness, shining in the night. One day, a greedy heron named Herbie spied Eddie's simple home, his heart filled with envy. Herbie boasted a golden crown, a sight to behold. But he held it with pride, and often acted so cold. Herbie, with his pompous attitude, called out to Eddie, "Why don't you have a crown like mine? Aren't you the least bit greedy? A crown would make you stand out, and give you respect. You'd be the talk of the marsh, so many would admire you, I bet." Eddie, with his gentle eyes, looked at Herbie with surprise. "A crown would bring me no happiness, or make me wise. My heart is satisfied with my simple abode. And I'd much rather share kindness, for that's the path I've chose." Herbie, unable to understand, shook his head in dismay, scratching his golden crown as he wandered his way. Eddie continued to spread love with each passing day, while Herbie grew lonelier, his heart filled with dismay. One day, a storm came to the marsh, fierce and wild. Herbie's golden crown slipped off, swept away by the tide. Herbie searched, but it was gone, and he felt a deep sorrow, for he'd traded his kindness for a glittering adornment, his folly. Eddie, hearing Herbie's cries, flew to his side. With a warm embrace, he said, "Don't be troubled, my friend. For true happiness doesn't come from possessions or a crown, but from kindness and love. Let's help each other now." Touched by Eddie's words, Herbie felt a change. Inside he knew it was time for a new range. He'd traded his heart for a crown, but now he could see the value of kindness, and the joy it could bring to he and me. And so, they became the best of friends, sharing wisdom and spreading kindness again. The marsh was a better place, with their bond so strong, and the lesson they learned would live on for long. Moral asterisk. True happiness comes not from possessions or appearances, but from the kindness we share and the good in our hearts. Let us learn from the egret and the heron to cherish true friendship and let love be our armor.